The number one drink to help you stop waking up between 1 and 3 AM in the middle of the night. This video is educational only. Always check with your doctor. Waking up between 1 and 3 AM can happen when your blood sugar drops too low. The brain panics because it's not getting enough fuel, so it triggers the release of stress hormones which instantly jolt you awake. You may feel like your mind is very active with racing thoughts coming from the cortisol and you're unable to get back to sleep easily, or you might have a tight feeling of dread in your chest from the adrenaline. This problem is very common in people who have a fatty liver, stress, or insulin resistance. Fortunately, there are natural ingredients that can help the brain get all the fuel it needs. In this video, I'll share a very simple drink recipe to help you sleep right through the night. Ingredients: 1. Kefir. Add 2/3 of a cup or 150 milliliters of full-fat organic kefir to a small blender. Kefir contains casein protein which digests very slowly as you sleep. This will provide your brain with a steady flow of energy so it doesn't need to wake up abruptly in that stressed out state between 1 to 3 AM. Kefir is also high in tryptophan, which your body uses to build melatonin, the sleep hormone. This is the perfect base to use for our sleep drink every single night. Now the second ingredient is pumpkin seed butter. Next, add 1 tablespoon of pure, unsweetened pumpkin seed butter. You can use the raw or the roasted type. Pumpkin seed butter is rich in a relaxation mineral called magnesium, which physically helps to relax your nervous system and muscles, making it much easier to fall asleep. The magnesium also raises something called GABA, a brain chemical that keeps the mind calm, so you're less alert and less likely to have racing thoughts when you should be sleeping. The third ingredient is raw honey. Next, you will add 1 teaspoon of locally grown raw honey to the blender. This is very important. The natural sugar called fructose from the honey mixes with the fats and the proteins from the kefir and the pumpkin seed butter. This forms a slow digesting gel or a matrix in your stomach. Very slowly, the sugar is released through the night, providing a trickle of fuel to your liver and your brain, so your brain gets all the fuel that it needs to stay in a deep sleep. Do not use more than 1 teaspoon of honey, as this can have the opposite effect if you go overboard. The fourth ingredient is sea salt. Add 1 tiny pinch of sea salt to the blender. Himalayan or Celtic tend to work best. Sodium from sea salt helps to maintain normal blood volume during the night, so your brain is getting all the blood, the oxygen and the nutrients that it needs to stay asleep. The small amount of sodium can also suppress the release of those stress hormones, adrenaline and cortisol. Ingredient number 5, glycine powder. Next, add 3 grams of L-glycine powder, which is around 3/4 of a level teaspoon. Glycine is a calming neurochemical that actually crosses the blood-brain barrier. It binds with certain receptors in the brain that slows down electrical impulses. Essentially, it's acting like a brake pedal in order to slow down racing thoughts so you can stay asleep. To fall asleep and stay asleep, your core body temperature also needs to drop between 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, glycine actually helps to push blood flow to your hands and feet in order to lower your core body temperature for sleep. People also often feel more mentally sharp and alert the following day after using glycine the night before. Now, number 6 is cinnamon. Add 1 dash or 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon to the blender. Ceylon cinnamon works best for this, but you can use the normal cassia variety in this recipe if you want to. Cinnamon boosts insulin sensitivity, so your brain cells can absorb more of the natural sugars from the honey. This can help to prevent any midnight blood sugar spikes and crashes that usually wake you up. Preclinical studies show that cinnamon breaks down into sodium benzoate in the liver, which may reduce brain inflammation and protect the neurons. And the final ingredient is lemon balm extract. The last ingredient is optional but can strengthen this drink considerably. Add 15 drops of organic lemon balm extract to the blender. Lemon balm is a herb from the mint family that's been used for over 2,000 years for promoting relaxation, reducing stress, and deepening sleep. Adding this to your drink helps to slow down the breakdown of GABA in your brain, so it pools there for longer, keeping you relaxed and asleep without waking up. How to use Ryan's Sleep Master drink. Take the lid off your blender, add the kefir, the pumpkin seed butter, the raw honey, sea salt, glycine, cinnamon, and lemon balm extract. Process the mixture for 45 seconds on a medium to high speed. This creates a frothy, creamy drink similar to a smoothie or a melted milkshake texture. Drink this around 30 minutes before you plan on going to bed. Sit upright in a comfortable chair and relax for about 30 minutes before settling down in bed. This will allow time for the mixture to settle in your stomach and begin digesting. You may notice a wave of relaxation as the ingredients start working and providing fuel to the liver. When you do sleep, the liver is then able to release glycogen fuel slowly to your brain, so you're more likely to sleep through the night without interruption. As a bonus, a study in the Journal of Complementary and Integrative Medicine also showed that glycine reduced the need to urinate during sleep as well, which is always helpful. Ryan's Sleep Master drink contains 261 calories and 18 grams of net carbohydrates, so factor this in if you're following any type of diet plan at the moment. You can make this drink earlier in the day in advance. Just make sure to keep it airtight and stored in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. Other ways to stop waking up in the middle of the night. If you prefer to use a capsule, you could try a sleep blend which contains ingredients like lemon balm, tryptophan, and magnesium. I'll put a link down below to my personal favourite sleep blend. I would also start eating more foods rich in vitamin B1 and B5, like beef, sunflower seeds, liver, or nutritional yeast. These nutrients help the body make acetylcholine for relaxation and improved sleep cycles. And then you should also avoid drinking coffee after midday, as the caffeine stays in your system and can keep you wired and more likely to wake you up at night. Instead, try drinking 1 to 2 cups of organic green tea, which is rich in L-theanine, which relaxes the mind and the body. I've also put together a 12-step guidebook called Unlocking Peace from Anxiety if you'd like a full action plan on paper to calm down your nervous system. The link to that product is down below if you'd like to check it out. You should also avoid alcohol in the evening after 6 p.m. Although I know it feels like it is relaxing you, you actually get a massive rebound of excitatory brain chemicals a few hours later, which tend to wake you up. Also, avoid bright overhead lights before bed. The kefir and the tryptophan in your drink help your brain build melatonin, the sleep hormone, but bright lights hitting your retinas physically blocks the brain from releasing it, something to think about. Since most sleep disturbances come from a fatty liver not sending enough glycogen to fuel the brain at night, I would focus on cutting out processed oils that clog up the liver and eat more natural fats instead, such as these. Also, Swedish bitters, apple cider vinegar, onions, and cruciferous vegetables can all assist in helping to clean fat from the liver. You could add a few drops of lavender oil to a tissue and place this by your pillow before you sleep, as it has an active ingredient called linalool that tells your pineal gland to release more melatonin. Again, that's the hormone that makes you sleep deeply and restores your body during the night. And in the morning, go outside within the first hour of waking up and expose yourself to daylight without sunglasses, please. Certain wavelengths in sunlight activate cells behind your retinas which reset your brain's master clock, the SCN. This helps you to feel more awake during the day and sleepier at night by resetting those cortisol waves. I'm Ryan, a certified nutritionist. Thank you so much for watching my video. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.